Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Bill Thomas Campers in Wentzville, Missouri, looking at a 2022 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS. The sticker price is $98,291. However, they'll deal with you on that. There's a link below for new, used service and parts. Give them a call, send them an email, and ask more information on this particular RV. As we open up the pass-through storage underneath, you can see it has an aluminum joists, so you know it's a solidly built RV. You don't have to worry about the stick build on something like this. Nice fifth wheel, LED lighting. There's your tools, as well as your electric or power shutoff. Here we have somewhat of an outdoor kitchen. We have space for a cooktop if you decide to put a cooktop in, and then also your dormitory style or size refrigerator, and then also LED lighting. So this RV sleeps 9, 4 slides, 41 feet in length. We have 2 awnings on it. I'll back up and show you. There's one awning, that's 10'6", and then the longer of the two, covers the door, is 21 feet long. You can see the badging there on the door as we step up inside. So there's one of the unique features of this RV, and I'll show that in more detail here in a moment. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and I'm inside of a 2022 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS. Rather unique and exciting to me floor plan. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below what you think. Here we go. So we'll go ahead and cover some of the unique features of this RV. I really like this pantry. I haven't seen one like this before. And it has motion LED lights at the top. So as you open the door, it picks up the motion, and the light there, you can see that one just came on the left. So again, the length is 41 feet. The exterior height is 12'8". The hitch weight is 2461. Gross weight, 14,995, so just under 15,000 pounds. Dry weight is 12,552. So about 2,500 pounds of capacity. Here's your theater seating. Sit back a moment and look around from the perspective. So we're going to try out some of the goodies. We got a heater, massage, lights for your cup holder. That comes in handy, I guess, when you've had one too many. I'll keep taking the tour. So again, this RV sleeps 9, so you can see the capacity here, the fold-out couch. Then we also have the flat screen TV, as well as the fireplace. That is not a televator. You can see by opening that drawer, that's storage underneath the TV. So it's a flat screen TV mounted on the wall there. That's a 40-inch flat screen TV. Then we have the entertainment system above, as well as additional storage. Your tank capacities are as follow. Fresh gray and black are 74, 94, and 47. Really nice size oven. And I like this cooktop, 3-burner cooktop, but it's a really unique one. You can have a long, slender pot in the center and 2 large pots to flank it. Nice microwave oven. Your center island has your double bowl sink. That pink fluid there is the winterizer. If you have an RV, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The refrigerator is a 16 cubic foot refrigerator. And the pink fluid that I mentioned is the winterized. This RV has been winterized. I have links below for the 10 top items for RVs that are purchased off of Amazon. If you go down and check those out, the links are right below. There's the temperature. You can see it's 45 degrees inside the RV. Here we have a really unique room. I've got a viewer, Aaron, and I thought of you immediately when I saw this, Aaron. Yes, it has a couch that folds out to a bed, but you could also use this as your office. I know you're looking for something that can be closed off for privacy, and this office would give that to you. Well, Aaron, it's a target-rich environment. Have another office opportunity for you. What do you think? So it's a rather unique room. If you have little ones, the couch folds out, and if you are a grandparent and you don't have the little ones all the time, it's perfect for an office and or just a relaxation room. Watch some sports or whatever your fancy is as far as on the TV. As we flip the LED lights on, and then you could have a flat screen TV above that area, the workstation. You could also have your laptop there, or desktop for that matter. Then we have a bunkhouse above. You can use this for storage if you don't have the little ones, or if you have the little ones, what a great place for the little ones to hang out. I know if I was a kid and I had the opportunity to stay in this, man, I would be in that. It'd be like a fort. As we step into the bathroom, we have a large shower enclosure with a sit-down area. The shower size is 30 by 48. So 48 is 4 feet wide and 30 inches deep. Medicine cabinet. Storage underneath the vanity. As we step into the bedroom, that's a queen-size bed. You can see the temperature is 44 degrees in here. Warmer outside, is well insulated, so it held the overnight lows. Plenty of storage space underneath the bed, and again, I believe I mentioned it's a queen-size bed. Furnace is a 40,000 BTU furnace with a 15,000 BTU air conditioning unit, blackout shades, and then those windows also open, European style window that open up to give you cross ventilation. We also are pre-wired and pre-plumbed for washer and dryer, stackable washer and dryer, or you can have a washer on this side, and then on the other side you can have a dryer if you don't have a stackable unit and you want to have them separated. You have a clothing rod there, plenty of set sweater and shoe space on the shelves. There's your 15,000 BTU AC unit. As we walk down the hallway, take one last look at the bunkhouse area. This is a 50 amp RV, so it's wired to handle any and all capacity that you need. Exhaust fan in the kitchen. Again, your 16 cubic foot refrigerator side by side. As we spin around and take one last look at the gathering area, family room, eating area, kitchen. I hope you liked this walkthrough as much as I liked bringing it to you. Thanks again, and leave a comment below. Any questions, I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks again for watching.